Show me what you got, hey, show me what you got, hey.
What's up, everybody? Calico the True Reviews back again with another video, and I got a mega Black Friday haul that I got the HTA 7000 soundbar from Sony. Of course, this is one of the most craziest soundbars you're gonna get. Well, they got some new soundbars, I think, from Sony as well. A new integrated soundbar, but you know, I think they're doing away with a few of the perks that they have with some of these sound bars. But this particular one is the one that I wanted for a long time to pair with my Sony A80L that I have currently, the TV on my OLED. So this one right here is offering Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, 360 reality audio. They're saying that with these sound bars here, you get more omnidirectional sound, so it's more like you're getting phantom speakers all around you that's sounding like there's speakers up in the ceilings for some reason. They're saying it's phantom speakers that you can actually hear when you connect all of these speakers together, and then they actually sound like there's more speakers than what they already are. So I got three things I'm gonna unbox for you guys today: the HTA 7000 soundbar, as well as the RS5 Sony soundbar, the SA-SW5 subwoofer, all right, from Sony. Now, if I butcher the names of those devices, I'll put them up on screen for you guys so you guys have them. And also, I'll also list the pricing and everything in the description. Don't have it right on hand, so I will post it as I go, all right? Now, as you all know, Sony always has great packaging. Since I done jumped into the whole Sony ecosystem with my Sony A80L, of course, I just decided, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and opt into the whole Sony system. Everything Sony. I used to be a big Samsung guy. Some sense I still am, but I've been liking mostly what Sony has been doing lately. All right, so go ahead and unbox it. Let's see here if I can. Okay, well, I didn't need a knife. All right, so you open up the box here, and then it tells you some of the information on some of the box here. Okay, so when you open up the box, you're greeted with a soundbar setup guide, startup guide here, and then also some of the packaging shows. On the inside of the box, of course, you get a Sony startup guide with an actual diagram of a actual entertainment stand of how you want to actually set up your soundbar. Whether you may want to mount it to the wall, or if you want to place it a certain way with mounting brackets, and just put it to your liking. All right, so we're gonna set this to the side. Next, all right, so inside the box you get another box, a brown box. All right, so inside of this brown box, look like you get a HDMI cable. I guess these are, also it is a mounting bracket here, so you can mount it to the wall, I guess, for your soundbar if you like. I'm gonna still keep it on the side here, even if I don't plan on using it. Also, you also get a Sony remote and batteries, so I will be trying to use this remote here. Doesn't look like it really differentiates itself from anything that I've seen in the past. All right, so sit that there. I know, right? And then also you get a power cable here. It's a regular normal power cable. All right, and look like you also get some 3.5 millimeter to 3.5 out input and output jacks, I guess. So I guess these would go into the receiver, go into the soundbar itself, out into the TV. I guess that would go into the ARC. I'm not sure, but don't quote me on that. All right, so, and then also you get another mounting bracket in case you want to mount it to the wall, mount your soundbar to the wall. So, nice touch. And then, whoopee, look at here. You get more limited warranty information and more books. All right, more literature that you can read over and refer back to in case you got questions about your Sony soundbar. All right, and that's it. So let's see what else we got. Look like we got just the soundbar here. So let's take the soundbar out. I'm sure it is pretty heavy. It looks heavy. All right. Take off some of the plastic. Oh, this looks very nice. Nice little glass, very high end. And I'm hearing that it's like 11 speakers on this soundbar actually. You get touch capacitive buttons on the top. You get a power button. I guess some more media controls that you can control for music, different inputs, outputs. Yeah, we're gonna definitely try to go into detail. I'm sure it has some buttons on the rear here, like HDMI in and your power and everything else that's associated with it. So let's go ahead and sit it on the entertainment stand, which I know it is gonna definitely take up a lot of space, but that is fine with me. All right. Okay, so, and also you guys see I got the PS5 Pro hooked up here, and then also just for reference, I hear that these have 11 speakers on it if I'm not mistaken, but we're gonna go ahead and go into detail. I'll put it on the screen as far as how many are in the actual soundbar, but I'm hearing that these sound amazing, so we're gonna give it a shot. But I think this little glossy part is gonna definitely attract fingerprints. So yeah, more Sony information. Let's see here. Like it has a power cord, and I got to lift this thing up out the box. Ooh, get it out the box there. Let's get this out the way. So this is the subwoofer here. It says like 300 watts of bass, a leatherish look about it, even though it's plasticky. It has a nice little leather texture to it. Yeah, it's like a Galaxy Note 4 thing going. Has some Sony branding. Pretty cool. Go ahead and set this out over here. All right, got everything set up. So I know a lot of cable management is going to be needed. This is the TV. All right, those are on. All right. This one is on. As well as the other one here is on. So let's get some sound quality. All right, so next we're gonna do a sound field optimization test of the speakers here and subwoofer, and let's see how it actually sounds. All right. Well, that was good. that sounds great. Not gonna lie, y'all, that sounds great. All right, guys. So that was the total unboxing experience for my new sound system with the SA-W5 Subwoofer. I'm sure I'm gonna butcher the name of it. Also, the HTA 7000 Soundbar from Sony, as well as the RS5s, the dual speakers. Both of them seem like they're pretty good. Me and wifey been listening to them on and off, and we really love the sound. So this was the end of the video. If you did like this video, drop a like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I do thank each and every one of you guys for checking out the video. Again, this has been your man Calico the Truth Reviews. You guys take care of yourselves and each other, and I'm going to catch y'all on the next video. Peace.